I enjoyed creating dance moves, making this space with lots of shapes, creative ways to connect to each other, and having lots of fun. It inspires me to learn humans, emotions and relationships working together, like combine, learn different types of dance moves. It kind of gets me in a groove.